YouTube, what's good? It's the OG back with another video. Today I got a package in. I kind of already opened it up, but I just wanted to show you guys real quick. These are some engineer boots. You know, it's the box it came in. So let's check it out. Got some rugged shit, you know. I like shit a little bit different from others, you know. These are like a biker boot, some rugged shit, like I just said, some shit that you wanna be a little different, you know. Hold on, let me get this out there. Can you see that? There you go. Some shit you can stump a mud hole in somebody's ass with. You know? But anyway, they're full grain leather. You know, I like shit, rugged shit, something a little different than others. They got different styles of these, you know. These are like 10-inch, 8-inch or 10-inch. Forgot it. Yeah. I can't wait to rock these shits. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think of these. We'll get up out of here. Thank each and last one of you guys for tuning in. I truly appreciate you all. It's the OG, and I'm going to get up out of here. Peace.